That's your main broken concern right now.
Now I gotta stop you right now because what happened is you just failed.
Yeah.
Okay. You had a great sales pitch, and the sales pitch was perfect, and that would normally work. But for any of you guys who ever walk into a basement and see a manifold made out of PVC with 3 valves hanging, you automatically do not touch it. You automatically explain to the homeowner that that is a massive liability.
Steve, repeat that for me.
So basically, he failed because he wanted to replace the valves. The picture here is of a manifold built out of PVC with plastic valves inside with all those zone lines running through the basement. That's a massive liability. Do not touch that. You automatically explain to the homeowner that, listen, we're a reputable company. I can't put my name and my liability insurance on fixing that. What I can do is I can give you a quote to run a copper line through your basement to the outside of the building, and then set new three valves in a valve box on the outside of the building and reconnect everything. You do this, you tighten something too tight, you put a valve in that's not supposed to be there, it cracks. It could even be a manufacturer's defect. You are screwed. You just screwed that whole basement up. You're gonna have restoration costs, you're gonna have AC repair costs. You're fucked. We had one in Jersey, in Edison. I think me and him went to. You know, we said no and wound up cutting it out and removing it to the outside. You know, you could do copper because, listen, you know, you could do it. The only valves that should be inside the house are technically, they make them brass valves. We use them in Manhattan in the buildings a lot. Hunter makes them, Superior makes them. But still, do you really want to, you know, get involved in it? If you have to, and that's the only way, we did one, we had 22 or 25 zone valves. Remember that one in 1.5 Toros?
Yeah.
In Alpine? So we did just replace the brass valve inside because we're not moving 25 zone valves outside. But
then also, if it's inside, don't you have to install a backflow that doesn't dump?
well, that's my next thing. So what you also are going to get out of this is you're not just going to get out of this and moving 3 valves outside. What you're going to get out of it is running copper to the outside. You're going to put 3 valves on the outside. You're going to tell the person, especially if they're in Jersey, I'm going to bring your house up to code by putting a PVB on the outside. Your system will be totally perfect. If you ever go to sell the house, everything will be up to code. You'll have no issues. After I do this, we'll check the entire system because I won't even turn the system on if it's like this inside the house. I'll just walk away.
Yeah. You turn it on and it's already not working. You're going to flood their basement.
You're liable for it.
Yeah.
So what I would do here is after that, tell them I'm going to check the whole entire system. You know, at that point, even though I told you to sell me a Wi-Fi controller, after you just sold me all that, I'd wait on the Wi-Fi controller.
Yeah, I didn't. You know how many times I've come across this in my life inside? Never.
But that's why I picked you for it. You know.
That's